Hello everyone, it's Anvi. Today I am going to draw a parrot. Please try to draw with me. I love drawing and painting. Look at that parrot. It's so beautiful. Parrot have one tail, one long nose. Let's paint green color. Wow, look at that parrot. It's so beautiful. Parrot is very beautiful bird. I like parrot. Red color. Look at the nose. It's very sharp. Yellow color. Parrots eats nuts. Sea green color. Light blue color. Pink color. Brown color. Brown color. Purple color. Yellow color. Wow. Love you all. See you on next video.